I have Anna and Ronel. They're in from Indianapolis, originally from Haiti, and they're going to be starting a mobile detailing business and a home and commercial cleaning business. So, Anna, what did you think of the business day, which was on Tuesday?
Oh, Zach, I learned a lot of stuff. It was a pleasure for us to come in. So we're just gonna keep practicing what we learned today.
Excellent, excellent. Ronel, what did you think of the hands-on detailing the last couple days? Both the exterior paint correction, ceramic coating, and the interior training today.
We learned a lot of things.
Lot, huh?
That was amazing.
Amazing.
Uh, I would like to say thank you for the team, for your professionalism. Chris and Jack, you so very helpful. Uh, for you, you so amazing.
Thank you.
You know how to break down everything to
Thank
make
you.
everything easy for us. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Guys.
Yeah, they did a great job too.
Yeah.
You guys did a great job. Good job. You are now,
Thank you.
you're welcome, Detail Czar and Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Congratulations. This was the car that you worked on. This cruise, it was only worth about $500 when it came in here. It's probably worth about $5,000 now. So great job. Congratulations. Thank you.